Are you looking to get out of the hustle and bustle? Welcome to 234 Bessie Creek Road in Goon North. This is a fantastic property located on 1 acre, perfect for the family, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the tour. This brilliant 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom home has been completely renovated. It's been re-stumped, brand new kitchen, brand new bathroom. It's perfect for your family to move in and enjoy. So there you have it, 234 Bessie Creek Road, Goon North. Is this your new address? With stables, paddocks, shedding, what more could you ask for? I'll see you at the next open for inspection.